Welcome guys, so today I am with the HUAWEI Y70 and I'm going to show you how camera promote works in this smartphone. So at first we have to open the camera application and then open More tab. Next, select Pro. Right now we can find here few parameters in this place. So let's focus on this one. After that we're gonna focus on this one. But also I can recommend you to tap on this little tiny information icon. As you can see right here, we got description of a very feature that we can find in this camera application. So if you don't know what is going on here, I can definitely recommend you to take a look. Okay, right here at the first we got the spot metering. The second one is ISO. We can set it up manually between 50 and 3200, and also we can make it automatically. Another one is the shutter speed, so we can set even for the 30 seconds. That's a lot actually. So manually and automatically by tapping on this auto button. Another one is the exposure compensation that we can set up between 4+ and -4, and that's the only parameter that we can set up only manually, so we cannot make it automatically. And this helps us to increase the brightness level on our photos or decrease it. Another one is the focus. So right here we can manually set it up. Right now everything will be out of the focus. Only objects very close to the lens will be in the focus. As you can see, when I'm gonna put my head a little bit far away, it's out of the focus. So that's how this focus works. And the last one is the white balance. As you can see, we can find here a few presets and also this manually slider. So we can go for the 7000 kelvins to the 2800 kelvin. Okay, let's set it up automatically. That's the first one, that's auto white balance. Right here we can change the photo format. We can also enable the AF SS light, and also we can enable flashlight. And honestly, that's all for this video. That's how the camera promote works in the HUAWEI Y70. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.